Good morning, it's Thursday, September the 24th, and you're watching Chinese Small Cap News TV here every day exclusively on ChinaSecurities.com. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Chinese Small Cap TV is a daily, fast-paced show bringing the best press releases out of the Chinese small cap sector at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Have two great press releases for you this morning. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called China Advanced Construction Materials Group. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol CADC. They are a former Agoracom client. They are announcing financial results for the fiscal year ended June 30th, 2009. We've got revenues of just under $40 million, which is up from $27.5 million from last year. Gross profits increased by 125% to $15.2 million. Operating income increased to $13.5 million, represents a 180% increase, while net income totaled $12.1 million, which exceeded guidance, which they originally given at $9 million for fiscal 09. So the company looks like they're well on their way. A little bit about the company. They're a leading producer of advanced construction materials for large-scale commercial, residential, and infrastructure developments. They're last at $5. High of $5.50, low of $1, market cap of approximately $52 million. Moving on to our next one, Tianyin Pharmaceutical. They trade on the NASDAQ, on the NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange, Amex, under the symbol TPI. They're a developer, manufacturer, and supplier of modernized traditional Chinese medicine and genetic pharmaceuticals in China. They're providing their 2009 financial results for the year ended June 30th, 2009. We've got full year revenues of $43 million. It's up 28%, and net income increased 33% to $7.9 million. Cash flow from operations increased 125% to $8.3 million. And finally, the company reaffirms fiscal 2010 guidance. Revenues are expected to exceed $59 million with a net income of at least $10.5 million. Company's last at $4.13. High of $4.37, low of 68 cents, market cap of approximately $68 million. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to join us again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases coming out of the Chinese small cap sector.